We are continuing with writing and creating one-step equations. Today we are using plus per hour plus an initial fee. So I am going to create my word problem. Let's see. Babysitting. She made $100. She charged an initial fee of $40 plus, that's an awful plus, let me try that again, plus $15 per hour. Create an equation to determine the number of hours she babysat. So now my equation is going to be equal to $100. This is a rate, and it was $15. Per means multiply, so per hour. Because we did one with per and each yesterday, up here where it said in each, where we ended up multiplying. So I'm still multiplying, but it's $15 per hour. This one was 7 in each packet. So $15 per hour, and then an initial fee, so plus a $40 fee. That means that this $100 includes the $40 fee. So I'm going to take away the $40 fee that was paid first. That leaves how much money? $60. And out of that $60, she made $15 per hour. So I'm going to divide this $60 into $15 segments. Dividing that into $15 segments means that she worked 4 hours. So 4 hours of babysitting is how she made $100. And I can substitute that back into my equation to check it. 15 times 4 is 60, and 60 plus 40 is $100. You are going to scamper and create an equation. I'm sorry, you're going to create a word problem, write the equation, and solve it. So substitute a different setting, change the situation, and modify it to write an equation, create the word problem, and solve it. Questions? Okay, you have 4 minutes. Now, for this circle everyone is doing their own, you are going to first cut out each one of these panels. These are all word problems, and your job is to match the word problem to its equation. And after you match the word problem to its equation, you are solving it. So first, we're going to cut out each one of these. So if you haven't done that, let's do that first. So once we finish cutting, I'll come back and explain some more. In class, I always push you beyond what you will be assessed. So I have pushed you to creating the word problems so that you are able to pick out the word problems when, let me restate that. I have pushed you to create word problems so that when you are assessed and you are given a word problem, you will be able to decide what equation matches the word problem that they are asking you about. So once you have cut out the pieces, you are going to pick up one of these pieces and you are going to read the word problem that is on that card. You then spread out all of the other pieces and try to find the equation that matches the word problem that is on that card. I think I said that wrong, so let me repeat it. You pick up a word problem, you spread out the other cards, and you try to find the equation that matches this word problem. So if I read this word problem and this is the equation that matches it, then I am going to put these two together by each other on my desk like so. And then I'm going to read the next word problem and I'm going to find the equation that matches it. And then I'm going to put it next to that one. After you have all of the equations matched, you then have to solve them. And you can solve them on the card, but after you solve them, you have to write the answer on the line provided. When you finish, they will form a circle. Like so. So the word problem has to be matched to its equation. Then the equation has to be solved. Make sure your answer makes sense in the context of the problem. That's one way you'll know if you have the right equation for the problem. After you are sure about everything, you are going to get a plain white sheet of paper and you are going to attach this circle to a white sheet of paper. Now, the center of the circle will be in the middle of the paper, but the circle itself may hang off of the paper, depending on how you begin to attach it. But if you put it in the middle of the paper, it won't hang off of it. And you glue it down, you put your name on it, and you turn it in.